Hi, my name is Martin Hamilton and I work at Smart Wisdom. So at Smart Wisdom we have a fantastic product that's scientifically backed, but at the moment it's the world's best kept secret. So our biggest challenge is how do we help the world to know about us? So typically what we've done in the past to help us to develop the business and market what we do is simply approach target organizations, try to build proposals and pitches and that appeal to them, but the reach has obviously been very small in doing that. So the Business Accelerator really helps us to change our business simply by teaching us some really sound techniques on how to tap into much wider audiences, but at the same time also be really specific with the people that we want to engage. So the best thing that I've learned is something really simple, and it's quite simply how to structure a short video. So how to make a piece of content that we can get out onto the internet to tell the world about what we do. So if you're considering attending the Business Accelerator, I'd highly recommend it. So not only will you meet a great bunch of people, like minds, entrepreneurs who are facing very similar challenges to you, but you'll get many days of high energy content that will keep you engaged and inform you about the things you really need to know.